Hello, welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at a 2011 Toyota Sienna. This is an 8-passenger minivan in gray, driving on 17-inch wheels. Some of the great exterior features on this Sienna includes a hood deflector, roof rails, power sliding doors, and a backup camera. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button, as well as our power sliding door buttons, which we will get to in just a moment. We're going to press that unlock button once we're the driver's side and take a look in the front first. Now, right up top, you have your power windows and locks. There's some storage on the bottom of the door there that runs along the entire side. You'll find your power adjustable side mirrors right next to the door. You also have this little storage compartment as well. Now, this Sienna comes equipped with gray cloth seating. On the bottom, you'll find your power seating adjustment buttons. We have our key here. We're going to start this Sienna up. And as always, we're going to take a look at the steering wheel features first. Now, starting on the left side, you have your audio controls. You have these little arrows. This allows you to cycle through different audio options. On the right side, you have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. And you do also have your cruise control right behind the steering wheel there. If we take a look in the odometer, you can see the Sienna has 99,243 kilometers on it. Moving on to our little infotainment system right up top. You can navigate through there by pressing this info button right on the bottom. This is also where your backup camera is. So if you go in reverse, putting that back into park and moving down to our climate control system. It is a tri-zone, so you can adjust the temperature for yourself. The passenger next to you can do so as well. And you also have this dial for the passengers in the back. Moving down below that, you can press this piece. That slides open. You have 2 cup holders in there. You have some storage space as well. 2 12-volt outlets. You also have your USB and auxiliary on the bottom. You have a little bit of storage space on the bottom here. You also have 2 more cup holders here. And we can press this button. That center console will open up, providing that extra bit of room. Like I mentioned, the Sienna does have power sliding doors, so to access the back, it's as easy as holding that button on the key fob, and I pressed the wrong button. There we go. Now, taking a look inside here, you can see we are continuing with the gray cloth seating. If we take a look behind the front passenger and driver's seats, we have these little extra storage compartments. Now, these rear seats do fold down as well. There's a little handle here. If we pull that forward, the seats will fold, giving you access to your third row seating. To access the cargo from the back here, there's a little button under the Sienna, little emblem there. Giving that a press, that'll open up. You can see even with the third row seating, you still have plenty of storage space in the back here. To put these seats down is as easy as just pulling on this little handle. And the seats stow on the bottom there, giving you that room in the back here. And like I mentioned, the second row seats do fold down as well. That will give you that extra bit of room. Taking a last look at our Toyota Sienna, once again, some of those great interior features includes your tri-zone climate control system, power windows, locks and mirrors, and your 8-passenger capacity seating. There's still a lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here, Toyota Northwest Edmonton, on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this video walk around. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.